Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to edit footer in Shopify Dawn Theme. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first step is to navigate from your Shopify homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find and click on Online Store from the sidebar menu. Click on Online Store and we'll proceed to the next step. After you've opened the Online Store section, look for a button that says Customize. Clicking on this button will allow you to personalize different aspects of your theme, including the footer. Once in the customization window, you'll see various sections of your online store listed at the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Footer. Click on that to open the footer customization options. In this footer section, you'll notice some options for customization. One of the key features here is the ability to add blocks. Blocks can include elements such as your brand information, which can help reinforce your brand identity right on the homepage. If you click to add a new section, you'll find options that can include text, images, or various other elements that suit your particular needs. These customization features really allow you to tailor the feel of your site. And that's it. So that is how you can edit footer in Shopify Dawn Theme. So that's all for this video. Thanks.